Hi viewers, welcome once again to Naya Chef. So today we are going to prepare a all-time favorite and everybody's favorite a simple snack, that is ulundu vada or medu vada. So let's start our preparation. Before that we can go through the ingredients needed for the recipe. So for this I have taken 1 cup of urud dal. This is 1 medium size onion finely chopped, green chilli 1 number, curry leaf 3 stems. This is water as required, oil to fry, salt to taste, peppercorns half tablespoon. So let's start our preparation. So first of all, what I have did is I have soaked that 1 cup of urud dal for 2 to 3 hours by pouring water. Okay, now we have to drain this water and transfer this into a mixer jar. Now I have drained the water completely. Now I am transferring this soaked urud dal into this mixer jar. Now add sufficient salt to this and grind it into a paste. Okay, I have grind it into a thick vada batter. While grinding, what you should keep in mind is, first you should not add water. You should put in whipper for 2 to 3 times and make it into a paste. If you need water, you should add only ice water to this. Just add I have added 3 tablespoons of ice water to grind it into a thick batter like this. So while grinding, you should add only ice water. Don't use normal water. Okay. Then I am transferring this into a bowl. Now I have transferred this into the bowl. Now add chopped onion, chopped green chilli. This is optional. If you are giving for kids, you can avoid this green chilli. Curry leaf and peppercorns. Some people used to add rice powder to it. I am not adding to get a grip. If you are making into the shapes to get a correct shape, people some of them used to put rice powder to this. So if you need, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of rice powder. Don't add more than that. Just 2 tablespoons of rice powder. I am not adding now. If you need, you can add. Okay, just mix it. Now my vada batter is ready. Now you have to keep a frying pan. Now my oil got heated. I have prepared vada batter. This is ice water. Okay, you have to dip your hands like this and also this hand like this. Just dip it. Okay, just take one ball, round it, make a small hole and dip. Okay, this is the way you have to, for each vada you have to dip your hands like this. Take a small ball, make it round, make it into a ball shape, make a small hole in the center and put it like this. Now our urud vada is ready, or medu vada is ready. See, it's very crispy as well as very beautiful to see. It tastes very good. So I am transferring this into a plate. Similarly, you can make all the vadas, and I will show you after transferring this into a serving bowl. So our medu vada is ready, our ulundu vada is ready. See, I will show you how soft it is. See how crisp and soft it is. See, it's very soft as well as very tasty too. You can serve it with chutney, sambar. You can eat as it is. Okay, so it is very good for health. Ulud is very good for health. So please do try this recipe and post your comments in the comment box. I am waiting for all your comments. Please support Nair Chef by subscribing, sharing and liking. See you again with a new and a variety recipe in the forthcoming videos. Till then, it's bye.